Hello, harvesting students. I hope you guys are all doing okay and hunkered down and working on your final project. So good news for our class with this whole mess is that we were almost done. So here's what you need to do. You need to work diligently on your management plan. That should be a solid piece of work. It is due April 1st, so make sure you get that submitted to the Dropbox on time. I have graded most of the work that's in there. I'll go in and double check and make sure there's nothing else sitting in there. If you have comments and questions, send me an email. We can connect via WebEx and I can talk you through some things. If you don't know how to find some data or information, again, just send me an email and let me know what is confusing. If you wait until the last minute to do this project, it's going to be pretty darn tough. And I may not be available at the last minute. So make sure you get stuff done early and done well. Be proud of this work. It's professional level work. It's something you can put on your resume and something that you should be able to be proud of. Also, the assignment for this week, or the activity for this week that would have been today, would have been going to the City of Fort Collins Urban Forestry Department and kind of seeing how they do things. So I found like a ton of videos and I put it on D2L under Urban Forestry. So go ahead and check through those videos to learn a little bit about that field. It's one field where if you are thinking no more education for me, you can make good money as an arborist or working for a tree care company without any more than a 2-year degree, or sometimes less. So it's a good career field to be thinking about. Urban forestry is not going away. I think that our cities are going to be hiring more and more urban foresters as we move into the future and face more and more challenges with dense populations, and as we realize more of the benefits that natural resources provide to people even in urban areas. So consider that as an option as a career path. Along those lines then, so watch those videos. No homework associated with that. That's just for your personal benefit, personal interest. And upload that final project by next week, April 1st. If you are just dying to do more woods work, I will put Bob's email address on our news feed, and feel free to reach out to him if you want to volunteer completely separate from this class, because we're not to organize anything. But I think that after each snow event, Bob goes up and burns piles and can always use some extra hands. So if you're itching to get outside with a purpose, reach out to Bob, but stay 6 feet away from him. He's probably healthier than all of us, but let's still be socially responsible. I guess that's the phrase of the week. Okay, reach out if you have any questions, concerns, problems, anything else. I'm here in my basement, just working away. Happy to talk. Thanks. Good luck.